Hey gardeners, this is Jeff with Whirlwind Family Farm, and today we're going to take a quick look at cherry tomatoes. In this particular high tunnel, we grow about 3 different types of tomatoes, but today specifically we'll look at those cherries. Before we do, remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification. It helps our channel so much, and we appreciate that support. Remember, when you hit those notifications, you'll get that reminder whenever we have new content, and hopefully we can be a help to your garden. So let's go down and look at those cherry tomatoes. In this particular high tunnel, we have 3 different types of tomatoes, but one of my favorites is the cherries. They're just a lot of fun to grow. They're really a great addition to any garden. And of course, the success in any tomato growth, especially these indeterminates, is good pruning practices. And we have another video where we show you how to do that. But these cherry tomatoes are so good. People love them individually or in a salad, and they're just a great addition to anybody's garden. So when you're setting up and planning your garden, think of what species you'll choose. Think of those types of tomatoes you're going to choose, but don't forget the cherries. They're excellent. So best of luck in all your growing in your garden. We know you're going to enjoy these. Take care from Whirlwind Family Farm. Talk to you soon.